guys, welcome back to my channel. This is DJ XAIYONG and VJ XAIYONG. I'm here in Buriram in a beautiful resort called XAIYONG Resort, and I'm here to celebrate my birthday because now after 2 days there's going to be a lot of surprises for you guys coming up on my channel. But the most important event is the birthday, which is tomorrow on Saturday, September 9th is my birthday. So I've come here to celebrate my last few moments in Buriram. So check out the beautiful view. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's go and check out XAIYONG Resort. And this is my room, which is next level. Check out my room. I have 2 beds, so I can sleep on any of the bed, maybe this one or this one. And I have a table here where I can just put down all my things, and a mirror for me to dress myself, and a TV of course. And these are all the closet areas where you can just hang your clothes and everything else, and a beautiful washroom of course. Check this out. Amazing, isn't it? Outside of the room, and that's my room. So now I'm gonna show you the outside view of this. That's my room, and that's the balcony which from where I was talking. And if you can see there, that's the cafe. We also have a cafe over here. So the best part is you can drink some coffee. I can see some coffee plantations right over there, and we are going to go over there towards that plantations, and this is the way. And these are some rice fields, so definitely worth it for your solo, come friends, come family. Yes, behind me is the room where I'm staying, and right now we are just walking in the middle of the rice fields, going to the spot, interesting spot. And yeah, I'm super excited. The path is a little bit rough, not so rough, there is a way, but you have to watch out, for some insects or something like that. But nevertheless, this is such a beautiful area. Oh my god. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with you. There are some goose over here and some chicken. I'm here literally walking on the deepest path. I wanted to go to the coffee plantation, and there's one guy who just kind of diverted my path, and he told you can take a walk all the way, and I was like, alright, but I thought it would be easy. But you can see I'm just walking in the middle of the grass, scratching my whole body. Damn, the whole part about the forest is the scratching part, but it's worth it. I did it. Amazing it is. Let's go and smoke. Ooh. Damn. Before the light falls, we have made it to this area, and this is a beautiful plantation. And here I'll be chilling for some time, and let's see till where I can show you the video. But I do have plans of going to a nail salon or probably a massage salon. So yeah, let me just figure out what I can do, and see you again probably in the next segment or in the next video. Beautiful area. We are walking in the middle of the forest. It's windy. I think it's going to rain. So let's get out of here as quick as possible. Super scary and beautiful at the same time. Yeah, it's so windy, and we just came all the way from those plantations, and it's super windy over here. And this is XAIYONG Resort in Buriram. Cafe, and it's heavily raining. I'm trying to book my taxi to go somewhere, but I do not see any chances of getting a taxi. But the weather is really amazing. Check out this beautiful rainy weather at XAIYONG Resort in Buriram. Like my video, and if you like my video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel and support me in making more videos, because if you support me, I feel really good and energetic. That positive vibes is really encouraging. So heads up for always positive energy. And yeah, see you in my next video, because tomorrow is a big day, which is my birthday. So see you tomorrow, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.